Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can basically add shortcuts. Your app shortcuts directly to desktop. So as you can see over here, we have no Opera GX, but we have Opera GX over here. So what we're going to do is right click on it. Well, that's not really going to do anything. Basically press on Opera over here and then right click on it, open file location, and now there that is. From here, right click on this and show more options, send to desktop, and voila, we've got Opera GX right here. Now it says 2. Oh, we did have Opera GX over there. Well, my apologies, but I mean, at least you guys know what to do now. Basically just open up where the file is, and then that's about it. Now if I go to another application, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to do this with something else as well. If I go over here, you got Riot Games. We'll go over to Valorant Live. This is Valorant.exe. We just go here, send to, create shortcut on the desktop, and it's right there. We're just gonna remove this as well as this one. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.